Alright, so in this haircut, we are going to cut a bob. So, as you can see, I've got a center section down the middle of the back with two A-line sections clipped away. I'm combing the hair straight down, and this very first section that I'm going to cut is basically going to be my guide for the bob for the rest of the haircut. So, combing the hair down, and right there, holding the hair with my comb so the hair doesn't move, and establishing that new outline. This new outline, again, is my guide for the rest of the haircut. So, from here on out, I'm just going to take sections, working my way up the head, combing those sections down to this section, and basically cutting them the same length as this section until I'm all done. Alright, so as you can see, I've taken another section here on the left side, combing the current section down. I'm going to use that section underneath that I just got done cutting as the guide to know how short to cut this section. You can see right here. Just going to comb it down, hold the hair with my hand so it doesn't move, and then cutting it right at that same spot where I had cut the section before. Gonna do this all the way up to the left side of the head. Once I'm done, I will do the exact same thing on the right side. Alright, so as you can see, I am now on the right side, combing this section down. I'm going to do the exact same thing I did on the left side. Not a whole lot to explain here, but basically just holding the hair with my hand against the neck so the hair doesn't move, and just cutting it right where that underneath section was cut previously to know how short to cut this section. Alright, going to continue my way up the right side of the head. my friends, we've come to the end of this haircut. We've come to the end of the classic bob. If you have any questions or comments, put them down in that comment section below. If y'all like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And as always, thank you so much again for watching.